guys, it's me Lucy, and today I am going to be giving you a room tour. So here is my door. Everybody has a door. Okay, let's open it. So this is my room. There is Baby Yoda. That is my couch. That's my closet. I'll show you that in a minute. Suitcases, my couch, my laundry basket. Here is my bed. I have a lot of stuffed animals. My Barbies, my lamp, my secret door, and dollhouse, and my LOL dollhouse. And that is my room tour. But first, let's go in. We're gonna go in my closet. It's a walk-in closet, so. Ta-da! This is for my shoe rack. Don't mind that stuff. These are all my clothes. Okay, and this is my calendar. Okay, time for the door. Okay, let's open it up. There's really nothing in here. See? It's just a bunch of spider webs. And yeah, that is my room tour. And thank you all for watching my video. Bye.